Welcome back to Communicate Better with AI. In the last lesson, we learned how examples help AI understand your style. Today, we are learning how to control the shape of the answer. Because sometimes AI gives you a long essay when all you wanted was a short list, a table, or a quick message. The good news is this is easy to fix. You just need to tell AI how you want the answer to look. Why AI gives you long answers? Have you ever asked AI a simple question and received a long answer? You wanted three quick points, but AI gave you six paragraphs, a polite introduction, and a final summary. This happens because AI is not reading your mind. If you do not tell it what format you want, it chooses a safe default. And that default is usually a full explanation. It is not trying to make things difficult, it is simply guessing the shape of the answer. So, if you want a short answer, a table, a checklist, or bullet points, you need to say that clearly. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your AI results. The first step is simple name the format. You can say, give me three bullet points, make it a table with three columns option, cost, and risk. Write a two-line text message. Create an email with a subject line. Make a checklist I can print. This is not technical, you are just describing the final result. The same way you would explain it to a person, when you name the format, AI knows what it is building, and that helps you avoid long answers when you only need something quick and clear. Next, tell AI the length. This is important because words like short or brief can mean different things. Your idea of short may be three lines, AI's idea of short may be three paragraphs. So use numbers. You can say, keep it under 100 words, write one sentence, give me five bullets, one line each. Use two short paragraphs, make it a 30-second voiceover. Numbers remove confusion. They also force AI to choose only what matters. So the answer becomes not just shorter, but often clearer too. Now, here is the part many people forget. Tell AI what you do not want. For example, no introduction. Start with the first point. Do not use bullet points. Write it as a short paragraph. Skip the summary at the end. Do not use complicated words. Do not make it sound too formal. You can also tell it to avoid words you do not like. For example, do not use words like delve, leverage, or unlock. This may sound small, but it saves a lot of editing time. Every rule you give is one less thing you have to fix later. AI works better when you are clear about both what you want and what you want to avoid. Here is a simple habit that can save you time. Most of us have a few rules we want almost every time. Maybe you like plain English. Maybe you prefer short answers. Maybe you do not want long introductions. Maybe you want the answer to be simple, practical, and easy to use. Write those rules down once. For example, always use plain English. Keep it under 150 words unless I ask for more. Do not add a long intro, get to the point. Now you can reuse this whenever you ask AI for help. You can paste it into your request or add it to your AI tool's custom instructions if the tool allows it. This small setup can improve almost every answer you get. So remember, tell AI the format, tell AI the length, tell AI what to leave out. That is how you control the shape of the answer. In the next lesson, we will learn one simple line that helps AI think more carefully before it answers. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning with NanoCellerate one nano step at a time.